Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 cordless telephone. The model on this unit is 27909, and this is Louise's equipment from Florida. And I've spoke with Louise, and she has an issue where when she's talking to somebody, they cannot hear her on this telephone. So what we want to do, since this is the initial checkout, is we want to troubleshoot the unit. Now we also want to give you a look at, we have a battery here and the inner cover. We have our outer cover, and then we want to show you the handset that we're going to be troubleshooting. If you've never seen the inside of one of these units, this gives you a look at what they look like on the inside. These were a very good telephone. They sit flush to the wall, and basically what happens with these units is you cannot find them any longer because they do not make them, and if you find a used one, they can get very expensive. And a lot of times what will happen is they will have an issue when you get them. So we've had a lot of problems with people buying them off of auction houses and then still having to have them repaired. So what we want to do is start our troubleshooting process. So we're going to go ahead and take a short break, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool General Electric 6.0 cordless telephone. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this GE 6.0 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts, and that's so that you can hear the audio on the handset. And since this is a cordless telephone and there's an interchange of frequency between the base and the handset, that can cause a hum sometimes or interference with the video and the amplifier. So it amplifies that noise or that frequency in between the handset and the base unit. And that can happen sometimes, so that's a normal occurrence. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and ring our unit. So we're going to use the analyzer and ring the cordless telephone. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. Turn on our amplifier. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can hang up. So now that we know that our unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's giving us dial tone. We have transmit and receive, and we can dial out. What we want to do is push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd. The time is 2:30. Current temperature sunny today with highs in the lower 90s. Mostly clear this evening, lows around 70. Partly cloudy Thursday, highs in the lower 90s.
Okay, we can hang up. Now, we can also call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. We can hang up. Now we're going to go back over to the analyzer because the issue was no transmit. So we want to check that one more time. We want to go ahead and give you some dial tone. We want to dial a 2 to make dial tone go away, and we want to transmit one last time. So just like earlier, every time you see that red light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. And we can go ahead and hang the unit up. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Louise, and she can enjoy this telephone once again. Now these telephones are very sought after. People really like them. They sat flush to the wall. They do not make this unit any longer, and if you can even find a used one, they get very expensive. And a lot of times you still have to have them repaired. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.